Hi, I'm Amy Schmidt with Dinner Board with what to make this week. 5 great recipes. Recipe number 1, smash burgers. I know we're not supposed to smash our burgers because all the juices will leak out, but I promise you, smashing your burgers is the way to go. It creates this great crisp crust that is only on the best burgers, and we top it with a special sauce that my dad's been making since I was a kid. Recipe number 2 is Bang Bang shrimp tacos. I don't know what rock I have lived under not to have heard of Bang Bang sauce until now, but I promise you, once you try this sauce, you will put it on everything. I'm thinking of trying it on pizza next. If fried shrimp isn't in your wheelhouse for this week, I give you some options of different things you can use, including popcorn chicken, to try on this great dinner. Recipe number 3 is spaghetti salad Italiano, a great make-ahead dish that's packed full of garden veggies that you can make in the morning, and it's ready for you when you get home from the beach in the afternoon. Recipe number 4 is double potato cheese bake by one of my favorite chefs, UK chef Nigella Lawson, who I've been following for years. I feel like I've been making this recipe forever, but it's so incredibly easy. It cooks in one pan, it's full of veggies, and it uses this really interesting cheese called halloumi, which is kind of like a feta. And if my grocery store sells it, then your grocery store sells it. My kids have fallen in love with it, and they request this dinner all the time, I think, just for the cheese. And recipe number 5 is Orange-Chile Chicken. Let your Instapot or your crockpot do all the work for this one. This is from Williams-Sonoma, and it's one of my favorite orange chicken recipes. I think because it uses orange juice instead of orange marmalade, which can make it really sweet. They serve this with lettuce wraps, but I created a really quick, easy coconut lime cauliflower rice, which is delicious, and the recipe is included with the Williams-Sonoma recipe. So that's it for this week. Recipe links are below. Give me a like. Let me know what sounds good, what you may make this week, and please subscribe to my channel to hear what I'm making every week. Thanks for watching.